So today we're walking through the top 5 ways students use AI to study: information search, writing, summarizing, tutoring, and presentations. And for each one, I'll show you what students think they're doing, what's actually happening, and a better prompt plus workflow to turn AI into a real skill builder. Number 1, AI for search. Most students still use ChatGPT like a shortcut for Google. A bad prompt might be, what is Newton's second law? The problem? They stop there. Copy, paste, move on. No curiosity, no transfer of understanding. A better prompt would be, explain Newton's second law at 3 levels for a 5th grader, a high schooler, and a first-year physics student. Then quiz me with 3 practice problems that get harder each time. Now we've shifted from passive recall to layered comprehension and application. This isn't just smarter search, it's self-paced tutoring. Second is writing help. Students love this, but most use it like a vending machine. They paste a topic, click generate, turn it in, done. For example, write a short paragraph about why climate change is a serious issue. 0 drafting, 0 reflection. Here's a better prompt. Here's my rough paragraph. Give me 3 tips to improve it, but don't rewrite it. This turns AI into a writing coach, not a ghostwriter. Third, summarizing. Feels smart, but it becomes a crutch. Students skipping reading entirely. Better than saying, summarize this paragraph or summarize this article, try this. Summarize this in 3 ways: bullet points, a 1-sentence version, and a tweet. Now they're comparing formats, compressing ideas. That's real cognitive work. Fourth is tutoring. Huge potential, but most students use it in the wrong way. For example, what does inference mean in reading? AI gives a static dictionary-style answer. What's missing? Dialogue, practice, correction. There's no thinking happening, just copying definition. A better prompt, explain what inference means like I'm 10. Then give me a short reading passage with a question that requires an inference. Wait for my answer, then tell me if I'm right and explain why. Now AI becomes a reading coach. The student is thinking, trying, and learning, not just memorizing. And finally, 5th, presentations. This one slips past us. Students ask AI for a slide deck, they read it, they present it, but they don't own the content. A better prompt would be, help me brainstorm 3 creative ways to teach, choose a topic, to middle schoolers. Then help me build an outline. Now, it's not copy and paste, it's co-creation. AI isn't the enemy, but lazy habits are. You can't ban this tech anyway. You have to teach with it. Prompt well, reflect, re-engage. That's how students become better thinkers, not just faster ones. Want all 5 of these better prompts, plus 2 bonus ones? Grab the free cheat sheet in the pinned comment. And if you'd like this video, you'll definitely like this one.